Google officially unveiled its most premium earbuds, the Pixel Buds Pro, at the Google I/O event. It's designed to directly compete with the AirPods Pro from Apple. The Pixel Buds Pro offers plenty of modern-day technologies like ANC, transparency mode, and most importantly, the multi-point Bluetooth connectivity. Today, we're going to compare it with the Beats Fit Pro to know which one performs better and which one is best for Android. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Starting with the design, both Pixel Buds Pro and Beats Fit Pro comes in a more traditional way. Though the Buds Pro doesn't feature wingtips like Beats Fit Pro to give you a comfortable fit while running or working out. However, the Buds Pro look a bit larger and has a completely new design compared to its predecessors. Also, it has a built-in sensor that can monitor the pressure in your ear canal to ensure the most suitable comfort. To protect your earbuds from sweat and rain, both Pixel Buds Pro and Beats Fit Pro features an IPX4 rating. At a point of difference, the Buds Pro comes with a touch control, whereas the Beats Fit Pro utilizes physical buttons. Now, it's all up to you. Also, both earbuds have compact and lightweight charging cases to just fit right into your pocket. Coming to the sound quality, Google says that the Pixel Buds Pro comes in all custom hardware. It's equipped with custom-designed 11mm speaker drivers that can make your music powerful yet nuanced. Besides, a full 5-band EQ can allow you to customize the sound based on your preferences. There's also a new feature called Volume EQ, which can help earbuds to optimize audio automatically to ensure full and rich sound at any volume. On the other hand, the Beats Fit Pro's custom acoustic platform delivers powerful and balanced sound. There's also a redesigned driver that helps Beats Fit Pro produce a higher bass and marvelous audio. If you prefer bass more than anything else, then you should try Beats Fit Pro. Now, let's talk about the audio features. The Pixel Buds Pro is the first in the Pixel Buds series to boast active noise cancellation as well as transparency mode. However, these features are not new for the Beats Fit Pro. In addition, both earbuds support multi-point Bluetooth connectivity, which means you can connect them wirelessly to multiple devices and switch between them seamlessly. Moreover, the Beats Fit Pro offers spatial audio, whereas the Pixel Buds Pro lacks it. But don't worry, it will be available later this year via a firmware update. To be heard clearly on calls even in loud and windy places, the Pixel Buds Pro features beamforming mics, a voice accelerometer, and wind-blocking mesh covers. On the other hand, the Beats Fit Pro also comes with dual beamforming mics that can pinpoint your voice while a digital processor cuts out external noise and wind. And for the battery life, the Pixel Buds Pro can give you up to 11 hours of playback time, and it can be extended up to 31 hours with the charging case. Speaking of the charging case, you can juice up your case wirelessly, so no more fumbling around with the cables. Whereas, the Beats Fit Pro offers up to 6 hours of listening time while ANC is on. Plus, you can get an additional 18 hours of battery life from its pocket-sized charging case. Both Pixel Buds Pro and Beats Fit Pro cost $199.99, which is $50 less than the AirPods Pro. So for the price, they can be a great alternative to the AirPods Pro. Overall, the Pixel Buds Pro and Beats Fit Pro come in a nice and elegant design with high-end features. They both boast ANC and transparency mode to give you an immersive audio experience. However, in terms of battery life, the Pixel Buds Pro performs way better compared to the Beats Fit Pro. But what do you think? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.